What's up, everybody? My name is Chris Lee. I'm a metal fabricator out of New York, and this is Project Delphin. The owner, Tim, randomly bought this thing on Facebook Marketplace. It sat for a few years, and then Tim and I were introduced through a longtime friend of mine. We talked about the project for a few weeks, and next thing I know, a flatbed was scheduled to drop it off at my shop. A few details about this thing before we start. It's a 1962 Aerofin Delphin L-29 training jet. It's of Czechoslovakian origin, and apparently there were less than 4,000 of them made. This one has a number 109 on it, and there is a registry online, but I can't find anything on this one. Why is it in the US to begin with? I have no idea. For the next few minutes, I'll show you what it took to take this forgotten jet from this to this. There was a ton of fabrication involved, but man, what a wild project. So without further delay, let's get into it. interior time. So you've seen me make a bunch of this stuff already. Most of it is kind of tied in. Not really done yet though. So shifter. All right. Brake, gas, parking brake, air ride. Here I'll put a monitor. I think I'm going to put the reverse camera monitor here. I have a large gauge that's going to go here. I got to find somewhere to put a switch panel. I don't want to put anything in this area because this is where your feet go when you step out. So things here will get kicked a lot. Here, maybe here. I don't know. We'll see. Well, if you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the project and all the work it took to complete it. And make sure to swing by the Instagram @MadeByChrisLee so you can keep up with some of the other cool metal fabrication projects I got going on. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you next time.